In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to transfer money from BitMart to your Coinbase. So first, you need to click your BitMart application, and once you're in, just simply navigate to the Assets section, which is located at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you click in, click the spot section on the top, and once you're already on the spot section, select the cryptocurrency you wanted to transfer on your Coinbase. Like for example, in USDT, just click the USDT, and once you already clicked in, click the withdraw. And under the withdraw, you have two options, whether it is send via crypto network, via email, phone, BitMart ID. In this case, we are going to choose the send via crypto network. And once you already clicked in, make sure to copy your USDT wallet address from Coinbase for you to able to transfer in the USDT from your BitMart onto your Coinbase. And once you already clicked in or copied the wallet address from your Coinbase, just simply paste it right here under the address and select for the network you are going to transfer in, like for example in Solana or Ethereum or simply the BNB Smart Chain. And after that, you are going to tender an amount of how much USDT you wanted to transfer. Take note that BitMart doesn't support directly transferring money in fiat currency, so you have to use some third-party application or dApps for you to able to convert your cryptocurrency into fiat currency. And that's how you transfer money from BitMart to Coinbase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.